Welcome to Day 7 of the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Today, you'll learn useful English for talking about movies, music, hobbies, and free time activities.
Hey, Sophia, why are you smiling so much today?
Because yesterday was amazing.
Really? What happened?
Some friends invited me to go to the movie theater last night.
Nice! What movie did everyone watch?
An action movie with a lot of adventure and funny moments.
That sounds exciting. Was the movie good?
Yes, the story was interesting from beginning to end.
Who was your favorite character?
Probably the main hero. The actor played the role really well.
Awesome! Did everyone enjoy the movie?
Definitely. Some people even clapped at the end.
Wow, that must have been fun.
It really was. After the movie, everyone went to a small cafe near the theater.
Oh, nice. What happened there?
People talked about music, hobbies, favorite songs, and future plans for the weekend.
That sounds like a perfect evening, honestly.
Yes, and one friend recommended a new TV series too.
Really? What kind of series was it?
A mystery series with great music and emotional scenes.
Interesting. I love mystery stories.
Same here. One episode was so surprising that nobody could stop talking about it.
That's the best kind of show.
Exactly. Then everybody started talking about hobbies.
What hobbies did people mention?
Photography, drawing, gaming, cooking, and learning languages.
Learning languages is definitely useful.
True. One friend even practices English every day by watching movies with subtitles.
That's actually a really smart idea.
Yeah. Music also helps a lot with pronunciation and listening skills.
Totally agree. Favorite songs make language learning less boring.
Exactly. The whole evening felt relaxing and inspiring.
Honestly, that sounds like a wonderful night with friends.
It really was. Everyone laughed, shared stories, and enjoyed the time together.
Nights like that create the best memories.
Absolutely. Hopefully we'll have another fun weekend soon.
Definitely. Amazing job. Now let's learn the important entertainment and hobby words with clear explanations and examples. Movie. A movie is a filmed story with actors, music, and scenes shown on a screen for entertainment. Theater. A theater is a place where people watch movies or performances on a large screen or stage. Action movie. An action movie is a film with fights, adventure, fast movement, and exciting scenes. Adventure. Adventure means exciting experiences, travel, or dangerous situations full of action. Funny. Funny means something that makes people laugh or smile. Story. A story is a series of events involving characters and situations. Character. A character is a person in a movie, book, or television show. Actor. An actor is a person performing in movies or theater productions. Role. A role is the character or job performed by an actor in a movie or show. Hobbies. Hobbies are fun activities people enjoy during free time. Songs. Songs are pieces of music with words and singing. Weekend. Weekend is the time including Saturday and Sunday for relaxing or fun activities. TV series. A TV series is a show with many connected episodes and stories. Mystery. Mystery means something strange or unknown that people try to understand. Emotional. Emotional means creating strong feelings like happiness or sadness. Scenes. Scenes are parts of a movie or show happening in one place or moment. Episode. An episode is one part of a TV series or show. Photography. Photography is the activity of taking pictures with a camera. Drawing. Drawing is making pictures using pencils or pens. Gaming. Gaming means playing video games for fun or competition. Cooking. Cooking is preparing food using heat and ingredients. Subtitles. Subtitles are written words on screen showing spoken dialogue. Pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way words are spoken correctly in a language. Listening skills. Listening skills are the ability to understand spoken language clearly. Boring. Boring means not interesting or exciting. Relaxing. Relaxing means calm, peaceful, and comfortable. Inspiring. Inspiring means creating motivation or new ideas. Memories.
Memories are thoughts and experiences remembered from the past.
Great job today. In Day 8, you'll learn English for traveling, hotels, and vacation conversations.
Subscribe our channel and join the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge.
Don't miss a new English lesson every day.